Okay, so I'm going to draw a chair for you. Just go through the instructions on how to draw a chair again. Again, 6-membered ring, cyclohexane is going to exist mostly in a chair conformation. And I'm just going to draw it. There you go. Well, let me do that. Let me just draw it. I've drawn a lot of these over the years. So that's what you're wanting the chair to look like. And again, when you do a chair flip, down carbon comes up carbon comes down. Okay. So how did I do that? You know, what is the art to it? Well, you saw I sort of did it freehand, and you can do that. If you're good enough at doing it, you can. But you can also just draw parallel lines there, which will be the middle ones. Okay? And then to get that carbon, you want to make a Y. Remember, in a Newman projection, we wind up with bonds that look like that. That's sort of indicative of a tetrahedral atom looked at from one side or the other. Get a molecular model of a tetrahedral atom like methane, and look at it from the side. You're going to have a Y arrangement of bonds. And so you want to make that Y arrangement on each of these atoms. All right, I've drawn the green as the substituent. And then because it's a ring, because all the atoms are connected, these two have to connect. So there's your Y there, the substituent would be there. You see how we have that Y from the Newman projection on both of those. Same thing on the back, right? If we've come down here, substituent, up, there's our Y. All right, this carbon has to connect, and then if you want to make a Y there for the axial substituent, there you go, and that gets you your middle 4 carbons and their axial substituents. And again, I've put a little dash there. This red bond is in front of the green bond. All right, and then you can put in the rest of the axial positions. The up carbon axial goes up, the down carbon axial goes down. And that leaves you then, so there's a chair, you've drawn a chair, and you've got your axial substituents. And now you can put in your equatorial substituents, and again, you want to make a Y. So now your Y is green, blue, and this red. Here you've got green, this red, blue. Hang on, please.
Sorry.
All right, and so now you're just left with there, 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 and there. That's how you draw a chair.